Our state of Florida is a unique one. A peninsula surrounded by water, making it prone to hurricanes every year. But how does a massive storm affect our wildlife and their ecosystems? USF professor of ecosystems ecology says that one catastrophic hurricane could change how an ecosystem functions in the future.
The slow dribble of climate change, slightly warmer, slightly warmer, slightly warmer, slightly higher seas, etc. And then you throw a disturbance like a hurricane into that, some episodic extreme event. I think it's the synergy of those two things that probably will drive a lot of ecological change.
Dr. Lewis's expertise is in coastal wetlands and mangrove forests, the trees that serve as a natural barrier to protect mainland Florida from these tropical disturbances. Research that he's conducting is in the ability of soils to store elements like carbon, nitrogen, and phosphorus, essential elements needed to let microorganisms and plants grow. In an ecosystem, a small change to the soil could have a chain reaction effect to the plants that grow or wildlife habitats that might be there. Nature is all interlinked with each other, but that's what makes it so resilient. And luckily, plants and animals have already started adapting.
The animals that are out here are adapted to live on a barrier island, so they do pretty well. They're pretty resilient. With the gopher tortoises that we pulled off the beach, they're already making new burrows all over the place.
Fort DeSoto Park Ranger Anna Yu said the beach has sand dune damage and still has a significant amount of debris that needs to be cleaned up. She emphasized, though, the dunes will naturally rebuild themselves over time. While nature will continue to adapt and change after storms like Helene and Milton, there still is a lot to be done. To volunteer to help clean beach debris around Tampa Bay, visit pinellas.gov. In Pinellas County, Abigail Sachs, Z News.